So here are the two downpipes, AMS wide mouth, obviously. Fist that thing. Here's the stock Rally Art one. Way more airflow capabilities. And this is one piece, this is two pieces. So there's the differences there. Just figured I'd show you guys before I go ahead and hide this away underneath the car. But yeah, last time you'll be seeing those together. So just to let you guys know, in order to get that AMS wide mouth, in order to get the AMS downpipe, at least for the AMS, I had to bring it from up top because below it was really hard to squeeze it through there and wasn't working. So I put a towel here so I didn't scratch my intake manifold, and I was able to sneak it down this way. So another thing I urge you guys to do is mark down your orientation. So as you can see right there with the Sharpie, I marked where the stud to the downpipe is going to go. So it's going to sit in the car just like that. So highly suggest you guys do that as well. That way you're not fighting to figure out which way the gasket goes. So real quick, I'll be honest with you, I'm kind of lost on that downpipe bracket that goes to the block, because here is the bracket that connects the two, and this does not fit. It really doesn't. So I don't think I'm going to be attaching it, which I know is going to be a pain in the ass, but I still wanted to get the extra bracket on there. So this side would essentially sit onto there, and this side sits onto the block. But you can get it to sit where it needs to there, but it's like too big to sit where it needs to. I think it's just because this is a bigger downpipe now, and it didn't come with any other bracket. So I don't know. Do I trust holding it to the turbo with all those bolts and then fitting it up to the test pipe? I'm sure we would be fine. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure. So I'm going to go ahead and finish bolting up the rest of this and get the heat shields on. By the way, of course, these downpipe bolts are also going to get anti-seize on them. God, I wish there was such a cleaner way to do this right now. Oh, whatever. Getting the job done. Alright. Got the downpipe attached. I don't have the bracket attached. Couldn't get that bracket to fit. Everything is all anti-seized up. I'm going to go ahead and attach the test pipe to the downpipe. And then I guess we can try to throw on these heat shields. Sorry. Attach test pipe and connect the O2 sensors. So you don't really have to put anti-seize on these ones, but I'm going to anyways. I just wanted to see the fit up and everything's good and aligned. So I'm going to go ahead and do one at a time, put some anti-seize down and snug them up. Alright, that is it for underneath the car. O2 sensors toit, that's going to be the stock one. My O2 sensor from my wideband. So there's the stock O2 sensor. Now the O2 sensor for the wideband is connected right there to the downpipe side. Yeah, everything's nice and toit, so that's it from down here. You know what? This doesn't even line up with that downpipe, so I guess it's not getting one. I may have to go ahead and wrap it, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it works first. What do you guys think? So now that everything is fit up, at least the main essential components of the turbo, I think we can officially start torquing things down. So I'm going to torque everything down to spec. I'll lay down in the comment section or the description box down below where I torqued everything from. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the torquing. I'm not going to really show you guys all that because setting up the torque wrench, all that stuff is pretty boring. And I'm not going to be able to fit through a lot of that stuff anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and torque down test pipe to downpipe, those two bolts, downpipe to the turbo, turbo to the manifold, manifold to the head. And yeah, so I will say there are incremental torques or torque patterns for the exhaust manifold studs. So pay attention to those. there's a whole cross method type of thing going on there. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward on your torquing, and I'll catch you guys back up once I'm done with that portion.